Hey guys, welcome to my channel Informative House. Today we will go on to part 5 of amazing facts, so let's begin. Number 1. There was a type of pterodactyl with a bigger wingspan than a fighter jet. Number 2. The Burj Khalifa is so tall you can see 2 sunsets from it in one day. Number 3. High heels were originally men's shoes. Number 4. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Number 5. Cabbaged and Fabaceae, each 8 letters long, are the longest words that can be played on musical instrument. Number 6. Bees can fly higher than Mount Everest. Number 7. The only 2 animals that can see behind themselves without turning their heads are rabbit and the parrot. Number 8. Radio waves travel so much faster than sound waves that a broadcast voice can be heard sooner 18,000 kilometers away than the back of the room in which it is originated. Number 9. Did ascalenophobia is fear of going to school. Number 10. There is a butterfly species called as 89 feet 98 butterfly, named after design on its wing, mainly found in Colombia.